Well, on Thursday, the rand traded at its strongest level against the US dollar in 9 months. The last time the rand was this strong was in February. Other emerging markets are also beginning to show strength amid news of a possible COVID-19 vaccine. So, what can we look forward to this week on the business front? Well, eNCA's business desk producer, Melitta Ngalonkulu, joins me now with the business news to watch for this week ahead. Melitta, thanks so much for joining us at this evening. There's been a lot of optimism around the possibility of a COVID-19 vaccine. How are the markets reacting to this? One might expect quite positively.
Yes, Faith, that's absolutely true. The markets have been responding positively to the news of finally having a solution to the virus that has brought global economies to its knees. And this is all happening while the U.S. President Donald Trump gives authority to the official transition for President-elect Joe Biden's administration to begin. Local markets as well as the rand have certainly benefited from this wave. And you are correct when you say that the JSE did close on Friday on levels which we last saw in February. And the market watchers expect this wave to continue into the next week.
And is there a possibility that South African drivers can also ride on this positive wave? We also see that the petrol price will be decreasing next week.
Most definitely, motorists will be happy to hear that the Central Energy Fund will release the fuel price data for December. And according to the Automobile Association, petrol prices are expected to go down. And this is all because of the rand being firmer against the dollar. Diesel prices are also expected to, diesel prices are expected to stay the same while paraffin prices increase. Other data which we will be watching closely though this week is on the new vehicle sales. They are expected to remain in low levels, all because of a weak economy. Households are cash strapped. We all know of this because there have been pay cuts and job losses, and the need to purchase vehicles has declined as a result of COVID-19, also because of more people working from home. So the need to purchase a new vehicle at this point is really not that much of importance for most households.
And are there any company results that are expected to be released this week?
There are a few companies that will be releasing their results this week, but as we have seen with most companies releasing their results recently, they seem to have been negatively impacted by COVID-19, all because of the hard lockdown restrictions imposed by governments. Packaging supply in Nampak is definitely one of them. Even though it was able to cut its debt, it still wasn't able to ensure that it doesn't incur losses amid the pandemic, and it had already noted this in its trading statement. Another company which we will be keeping our eyes on is Redefine, and it is one of the largest property companies in the country, and which owns malls and office parks. So we all know that malls have recently been empty, and that's all because of the lockdown. So we did say that it does expect a decline in its revenue, and whether or not it will be giving out dividends, we'll hear this week.
Yeah, it's certainly going to be a very interesting week, and never a dull moment when it comes to business in South Africa, isn't there? But that's where we'll leave it for today. Melitta Ngalonkulu, who's eNCA's business desk producer, giving us news as well on business as well as economic news to watch out for this week.